After wasting almost an entire day unsticking the truck from up there, conclusion, didn't work. I gotta undo the trailer, dump it, and get it out of here. Decided to pick an easier spot. So I'm still on the driveway here that has gravel on it, and I've got the trailer kind of backed in here. And I'm just gonna go around with the excavator, pick all this. I'm just gonna clean all this flat stuff off because that hillside pretty much kicked my butt. I am not skilled enough yet to be able to successfully maneuver on that hillside. Hopefully by the time I clean all this out, I'll have some more skills.
Nunchuck skills, bow hunting skills, computer hacking skills.
And the ground will dry out a little more, and maybe that'll make it easier. So, but I mean, there's all that, and then there's a massive pile here. I don't really know how I'm going to go about getting this pile, but again, after I get this easier stuff, hopefully I'll have a little better grasp on how to use this machine and what kind of areas to stay away from. So, because I don't want to do that anymore. That was like 5 hours of frustration. I'm back at it today, and I've figured out a bit of a system. Maybe I'm going to try something new down on this flat part again, because I had so many problems with that hill. And I think what I've discovered is that if I have the excavator here, the dump trailer there, it's the most efficient use. Otherwise I'm going, you know, out there, picking that up, bringing it back. So I'm going to create like a radius here, and then outside of that radius I'm going to create 4 or 5 more radii, I don't know. So it's going to be kind of a 2-step process. Get the stuff there, plus today, first time using the chainsaw, so I'm pretty excited about that. All right, got a few things going on today. Today, I get to use a chainsaw. Bought this chainsaw off Facebook Marketplace. It needed a new gas cap, which cost like $4. It's a Stihl MS361, so it's a professional grade chainsaw. I did a lot of research on these, and a buddy helped me out who knows a lot more about chainsaws than I do. I was gonna get he recommended to get the 462, which is like a really killer, awesome chainsaw. I went down to the 362, met a guy who had a 362 and a 361. He said the 361 is lighter, and for what I'm doing, and it's less expensive, that's all I really need. So my buddy also said definitely get protective chaps, because the #1 injury is to your leg. Since this is all new to me, I said, all right, definitely we'll do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and see what these are all about. All right. So basically, what does this look like? These just fit on outside over your pants. So there's a couple straps in the back here, looks like. I think these are made out of Kevlar. So this will keep you from getting hurt, apparently. I'm all about safety. All right, that feels a little weird, but safe. Weird, but safe. Okay. Those are on. A little strange. It feels weird. All right, next thing is safety mask. What's this called? Helmet system. It's got a mask, a helmet, and some ear protection. I've been using this ear protection for years and years. I swear by it, but it's nice to have the helmet and the whole thing together. that's shiny. So, I guess this adjusts. These, I think, go out, yeah. And it goes up. Hat comes off. And then, boom. And then these, oh, that's cool. That goes down, and you're good. All right, oh, that's like metal. That's nice. So, I'm gonna go ahead and fire this up. I was given a little safety tutorial on how to use this. Apparently there's like an air filter back here you want to clean, and then you gotta sharpen the blades or the chain every so often. But basically, you know, there's a choke here, and then there's a little button to push here, and then it just, I guess it just fires up. So let's see how this works. It's a little cold out, so these gloves are nice. So it goes there. Let's do this. Up. Wow, that's powerful. So the chainsaw, it works for, I don't know, a minute, and then it stalls out. So I don't know what to do. The chain, I think, needs to be sharpened, because I made this cut and the shavings are pretty small. So from my prior use with a chainsaw, I know the bigger the wood chips, the sharper the blade is. So I'm going to sharpen that blade, or chain, and there might be some sort of carburetor issue because it kind of stalls out, which is a bummer, but I'm going to try and fix that. My goal with this piece was to cut it into like 3 pieces, but that's going to have to wait.
I hate waiting.
So in the meantime, got plenty of other stuff to move into this radius that I've created, and then off to the dump. So I've got Ashley here helping me out. How you doing, Ashley?
Good.
You excited?
Yep.
So we're gonna go tackle this massive pile. You think you're gonna get this done all today? No. This is a big pile. And I'm gonna work on the excavator, and we'll meet in the middle. How's that sound?
Cool.
All right. Good morning. Back on site today. We've got a lot of work to do. Another beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest. And yesterday afternoon, Ashley helped out, which was really cool. We basically just cleared this area here. And my goal for today is to clear those logs out. And I've got a little bit of chainsaw work this morning to get that specific piece out. And then I'm going to start moving kind of that way. So we've got about, I don't know, 30 or 40 feet in from the road, and my goal is to just kind of go along this more flat area because I'm tired of getting the truck stuck. And we'll wait for a drier time of the year to start going up the hill. Been taking little bites out of this massive pile to fill up the cracks of the larger pieces. So I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna start putting the big chunks on the bottom, small pieces on the top. That seems to work out. We're down to 2 dump runs a day as opposed to 4, which is good because we've doubled our capacity with the modified trailer, which is kind of cool. 4 dump runs a day was just with 30 minutes per each way, was eating up a lot of fuel and a lot of time. So this modification here was pretty cool.